this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Myojo Charumera Miso cup. And it's a fancy one. Here's the lid. It's got our little friend, the little black cat that follows around the guy who blows the Charumera, which is a horn, letting you know that ramen is in your neighborhood. And then it also comes with a sachet that will warm as it sits on top as the noodles steep. So that is what's on the menu today. This one has like a large amount of, what do you call it? Narutomaki in it. And I was thinking, oh, I need to thaw out a piece of Narutomaki. It's like, I really don't. Not for this one. There's a lot of it. I mean, a lot. I remember somebody got all up in my face once. And they were like, somebody lost, like, they're all Japanese toys in my noodles. Those are not Japanese toys. That's dehydrated fish cake. So, now, you know, if you were of the people questioning, what the heck is that? Go. 270 milliliters, right to the... And lid. The right one? Yeah, that's the right one. And then blop. 3 minutes. So, what's going on? What are you doing? What did we do yesterday? We went and got some groceries after my wife got off work. It was kind of nice, had a little time together. And I found these at the store. Check that out. Wicked. Wicked. I don't know. They had this spicy coconut and rice noodle and late night rice noodles. It's like, it's a little late. I think it's time to eat the rice noodles. I wonder who makes the, whoa. Quick to make rice noodles with fragrant basil, soy, and smoky barbecue broth flavors. Makes this. It is a product of the UK. From Wicked Foods. Product of the UK, distributed by Wicked Foods Inc. USA. Huh. This looks like, what's that company called? Naked. You ever had the Naked noodles? I bet you it's the same people. They're like Symingtons, or they hit up my friend Mr. Burridger. He knows such things. He is British. Yeah, like I said earlier, I'm still just, I'm beat, man. Dude. I'm glad I went out when I did, because it looks like it's going to start raining. But what's weird, too, is it got up to 55 degrees here today, and that's just like, but it was going to rain, so I wore my coat. It was too warm. It's like, it's that time of year, folks. I don't know what I'm supposed to be wearing. Is it going to be too warm to go on a long 2-hour brisk walk and wear a coat? Or if I don't, am I just going to get soaked head to toe? It's a pain in the butt. I should have gone sans coat. That would have worked out better today, but I didn't, so sweated out some funk. But yeah, this is my third review for today, so once this is done, all the files are copied and snuggled warmly in their copied file area, I'm gonna go hop in the shower and then edit some video. That sounds like a plan. So yeah, that's my plan. What's yours? People in May of later this year. That's crazy. super crazy. I don't know how that's even possible that I'm that far ahead, but I'll take it. This will end up being review number 4,510. So I've got, what, 490 reviews till I hit the big 5K. It'll be here before I even know it. It's pretty weird how quickly I peel these things off. When I try to get like 5 or 3 a day, it goes pretty quick. Anyways, here is our noodle soup, our miso ramen. A little meaty bits in there, that looks good. I enjoy little meaty bits, probably just as much as everybody else here does, unless you're vegan, and I'm sorry, but yeah, meaty bits. Our noodle. Meaty bits. Yeah, it's like a hamburger. It's either hamburger or ground pork. Hydrated, I'd say like 90%. Yeah. Not too bad. About what I expected. Now I gotta get going because my wife is sending me messages on the internet. And those are important to answer. Because I like to talk to she. There's our chashu. Yeah, I'll torch it up. Hold on, let me torch it up. Torched. And some shichimi. A little sprinkle of sesame seed. And of course, some spring onion. I'm really bummed I didn't have any eggs done up today. And the mung bean sprouts I have, they're still having problems sourcing them, it seems like, since Christmas. It's like Christmas happens and all the produce gets screwed up around here. I don't know why, but there we are. All right, rotato. Time for you to do your ballet of beauty and jejune. So, yeah, you can have a super close-up today. That'll be fun for you. For today, thanks for watching. There will be more to come tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.